It's so pretty out there.
It is. Shit.
Hmm?
Now I know why you wear these. These are comfortable as shit.
Yeah.
They're handy too. Like they have this pocket right here, this pocket right here.
Yeah. This one's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pockets. We got shin pockets, side pockets. These are meant to go like cover or put your hats and stuff on. That's where the plates go, or the knee pads.
Nice. Nice. You know who the fiercest like warriors were? Barbarians. Or people like.
I'd say samurai.
Oh hell yeah. But just think about this, like, and then revolutionary, where they're lined up and there's guns right there, and they have to stand there like, I'm ready to die.
Hmm.
Or like when you're running against a spear or some shit. God. And nowadays you don't even know what the fuck it is. And it's even scary, like your anxiety just goes up hella more. I think it started more whenever like PTSD started coming out, whenever like World War I started, because like
They didn't even know what PTSD was back in World War I and II.
they just thought they were pussies. Until they finally was like, oh shit, this is actually serious. People, more suicides. Like they probably didn't even document how many suicides there were. Like if I didn't have a buddy, I would die. I would literally just put the muzzle to my mouth. That or just volunteer to carry the flag.